Imagine this, owning 10,000 points on the most powerful AI platform that brings together the finest and latest video generators like Veo 3, Kling AI, and One. From just one place, you can unleash your imagination and create anything you can think of, from world-class commercials to short films that look truly cinematic. And the best part? With just a simple follow on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn, you instantly get free points to kickstart your journey. Now let's jump into ChatGPT, where I'll try out some crazy things. The first thing I'll test is asking it to give me ad ideas. I want to create a professional commercial using Veo 3, and I'll show you exactly how. First, I'll ask questions like any beginner who wants to make a video. Give me 10 ideas for ads using Veo. That way, we'll get a list of ideas and pick a good one. Maybe a drink commercial, clothing, restaurant, meal, car, app, perfume, sports. But this time, the one I chose is a food commercial. Next, we'll head over to this page. I'll leave the link in the description, the JSON page. From there, we'll grab the proper prompt. I'll ask ChatGPT to generate one for me that I can send to Veo 3 to create the video exactly as I want. I'll tell ChatGPT, write me a JSON prompt to create a food commercial, for example a hamburger, and you take care of the rest of the details. With this format, you'll create videos like no other, results that will always impress you. As you can see, here's the prompt. I'll click Copy, then go to Open Art, Video, Text to Video. Right away, I'll choose the legendary tool Veo 3. I'll set the quality to 1080. Yes, it will consume more points, but it's worth it. I'll enable sound, and for speed, I'll keep it on fast mode so it doesn't take too long. I paste the prompt here, and now I hit Create. Everything is powered by AI, the ideas, the prompt, and the video itself. I waited about a minute, and now look at the background. It looks epic, luxurious, and beautiful. Before we watch the commercial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. The Open Art link is in the first comment and also in the description. Now let's watch the ad. There's also a new feature. I can download the video in higher quality and without a watermark. That's amazing. So that was the first commercial, my friends. I'll also leave you a discount code if you'd like to subscribe to this tool and enjoy all its features. Use it. You won't regret it. You can create absolutely anything here, since it includes the best AI image and video generators, along with important tools like background removal and quality upscaling. Using the same method, I asked for a short, dramatic, and intense clip. A man who has only 5 minutes to save the one he loves, and time is slowing down. I really loved this idea, so let's try it. I'll tell ChatGPT, write me a prompt to create a short film of no more than 10 seconds in English about a man who has 5 minutes to save the one he loves while time slows down. And just like that, let's see the result immediately. So my friends, in this video we tried two things: a professional food commercial using Veo 3, a short dramatic film powered by AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing. You'll find all the links and the discount code in the description. This was Mr. Minato. See you in the next video.